Have you ever wanted to make a geocache flat pack, but you needed it to be waterproof? I'm Basso Contour. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. Well, the first thing you do is you get a small baggie, a sealable baggie, and sometimes these are used by coin dealers. And then you put the sealable baggie inside some short cardboard strips, and then we're going to wrap it up just like a Christmas present. And I have some pre-cut pieces of dark green camo tape, but of course you could use whatever kind of tape you want, just like making a Christmas present. So it takes a little bit of patience, and in about 2 minutes you could have it all sealed up. When I have it all done, I like to cut off the end, the open end, to make it nice and clean. And it was a little sticky, tough to get open, but I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and you can see that I've got the sealable baggie inside. There it is, and you can go ahead and put your log sheet in there and seal it up, and it'll be waterproof. Now you might be wondering where to put one of these flat-pack geocaches. Here's an example on a bench that happens to have a crack in the wood. And if you look closely, that's where I put a geocache, right in the crack. Another good place is telephone poles. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hey, the log is full.